Okay, you're on this page. Get paid $159 when you join for free. For others and earn 159, they earn 159, and you earn 159 on their money as well. So let's go ahead and get you started right now. So on this first banner right here, you will click here. And this is Chime. Now you want to do this on your cell phone. So if you started this with your computer, go ahead and open up this link up here with your cell phone and go ahead and enter your email. And then once you enter your email, go ahead and get started. And basically, what it is, it's a Visa credit card, debit card, and it's Chime. And all you have to do is once you sign up within a 45-day period and you do your direct deposit, set up your direct deposit with Chime, and they'll within that 45 days that you signed up, and they'll give you $100, and that's it. Now, if you want to go ahead and change that, I would wait 2 months, 60 days, more than 60 days on that transfer to come in on your Chime account. And if you want to go ahead and transfer it back to whatever you had before, that's totally your call. So that's all you need to do, and you get $100. So when you bring people on um, with Chime, they get $100 from you. You get $100 as well. But sometimes Chime has a special. Um, they'll give $100 for people you refer, but sometimes they'll pay you 175. So you could actually earn more money. So I wanted to share that with you, and that's your first $100. And we'll go ahead and get your $34 next.